Today's video, I want to talk more about how I stay consistent as a small content creator. Because I know as you're a new beginner in this content creation industry, it might be hard for you to stay consistent for some sort of like reason. So I believe that in order for you to stay consistent in this industry of content creation or any type of industry that you are doing is by adapting these two mindset, which is an artist's mindset and a business mindset. But when you start, you want to adapt the artist's mindset. What are the characteristics of an artist's mindset? An artist's mindset is more focused on getting good at the craft. He's more focused on creating the best content than just getting the results. He wants to express his feelings through his work. He's searching for ways to be unique in the market. That's the mindset that you want to adopt. An artist doesn't care about the results, but he cares more about his craft. He's improving his craft each and every time. He's making sure that his craft is good. That's an artist mindset. You don't want to rush the process, but you want to take it slow, improve one thing at a time into your artwork. You want to improve one thing at a time in your process of creating your art. That's how I adopted this mindset. I used an artist mindset. I made sure that I improve maybe one thing at a time into my creativity. I don't rush for the process. I don't rush in the process of creating the artwork. I take my time because I know that I have to make sure that the art that I'm creating, people find interest into it and it's high quality. At the beginning, you need to adapt the artist mindset, but once your work got enough recognition in the market, once you get enough audience in the market, then you can adapt the business's mindset. As you get involved in the market, as you get more audience and getting more views, then you can think about how can I monetize my craft? How can I make more money from this as I have gained enough audience? But at the beginning, you want to make sure that your art, your skills of creating the art has been improved. You are improving at first your skills and your equipments and everything that you use to create your art. You are improving it. But as you get bigger and bigger and you get more audience, more views, then you can now think about how can you monetize, which is the business mindset part. For now, think about being creative and actually improving your skills and improving your artwork, and take your time, fall in love with the process. That's what I did. I felt in love with the process of actually creating the art than just think about the results. That's how I became more consistent into content creation, because I enjoyed the process. I made sure that I enjoyed the process of actually creating my videos than just getting the results and just rushing for the results and not actually making sure that my work is actually perfect. So yeah, man, that's how I stay consistent. And if you can also adapt this mindset of being an artist, you will eventually become successful in what you are doing. If you like this video and it helped you to be consistent into your work, make sure you do like and subscribe. Without further ado, out.